Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. I love reading books. I love reading books. Look, what is this old book? Look, what is this old book?
Be careful, Mia. Be careful, Mia.
I open the book. I open the book. What?
What is happening? What is happening?
We are flying. We are flying. Where are we? Where are we?
I think we are inside.
The book.
I think we are inside the book.
This is so beautiful. I see a little rabbit. I see a little rabbit. The
Rabbit!
can talk.
The rabbit can talk.
I can't believe it. Follow me. I can help you. Follow me. I can help you.
We need to find Mom and
Ben.
we need to find Mom and Ben.
Mom! We are here.
Ben is...
Here too.
Ben is here too.
How do we go?
Home.
How do we go home? The
Book says read the story. The book says read the story.
We must finish the story to go home. We must finish the story to go home.
Let's, go together. Let's go together.
I see a big castle. I see a big castle. Can we go inside? Can we go inside?
The door is very big. The door is very big.
Look at all the pretty things. Look at all the pretty things.
The book is glowing again. The book is glowing again.
A new story is starting. A new story is starting.
I see a glass slipper. I see a glass slipper.
It's Cinderella's story. It's Cinderella's story.
We must help.
Cinderella.
We must help Cinderella.
The adventure begins. The adventure begins.